It's a couple Jordan 1 retros and they gotta be in your collection. You just collect them, you never gon' step in. I can respect it, but that ain't for me. I gotta lace up these black cement threes and throw a little fit together. Get on the go out, place a bid, and hopefully I can just hit forever. I'm from the bottom, a little wanna ride with this part about culture, you gotta be fly. Ralph Lauren with the Air Forces, put that shit on to the day that I die. Nikes over Adidas, dead stress.
What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy DaRetroWizKid, the shoeologist, and y'all rocking with your boy in the sneaker dungeon, y'all. Hope everyone's having a great day. As you guys can see, we got some delayed W's, man. Shout out to my bro Eddie, man, came through clutch with this one right here. I will be linking him down in the description box below to his Instagram. He actually sells sneakers as well, so you guys can look for some steals and deals over there. Some new, some used, but all in great condition. And this one right here is a delayed W, but it's not my size, but it is a delayed W as well. So we're gonna start off with the Shoe Palace bag, y'all, just because I ain't gotta unbox it. So Shoe Palace in San Antonio did not get their GS sizes of the Air Jordan Retro 1 Biohack, and I was able to go ahead and cop a pair, man. I had put in for a size 6Y for the GS, man. Now that they got them in, I was able to go pick them up, and these things right here are just as buttery to me as they did with the adult sizes. You know, sometimes when they do sneakers like this, it's inconsistent. The GS size might feel a little different than the actual adult size, and sometimes the GS sizes look better than the actual adult sizes. But on this one right here, I would definitely say that I feel like the GS sizes are just as equal to the adult sizes, and they did a great job on this sneaker. Arguably, this is probably one of the best Air Jordan 1s to release this year. I know a lot of people might say, nah, not really. But when you're looking at Jordan sneakers, used to getting like that royal, the bread colorway, and now even court purple, anything with sail, anything with pine green, you know, and this one right here, just, if they had to put Travis Scott's name on this shoe, y'all would be saying like, oh, this is the most fireest release. Yeah, of course, some people gonna say the Dior Jordan 1 is super hyped up this year, and that might be one of the best releases, but it wasn't very obtainable. I mean, it's obtainable, but I ain't trying to spend no 15 bands, bro. I can go buy me a whole old school, man, and put a new engine in it, change out all that stuff, man, have that shit running. I'm just gonna sit there and say it. So to me, that one can't even be in the top runner for me as far as being a #1 contender for being a #1 Retro 1 this year. But these unique, different color pattern, something that you don't see all the time. The Biohack Air Jordan 1 does pay homage to the undefeated Dunk, and if they had said this is the undefeated Retro 1, crazy. But hey, it is what it is, man. I do think that this is one of the best Retro 1s to release this year, and I will definitely say it is going down in my top contenders this year for the Air Jordan Retro 1s. Now let's get into this box that my bro Eddie done sent over. So I had somebody flake on me on this shoe. Where'd I put my knife? And I ended up reaching out and I met Eddie, you know what I'm saying? And we was chopping it up, and bro was like, hey, I got you, bro. You know what I'm saying? For the same price that the other guy was gonna give them to me for and everything. And I got the shoe shipped, and he actually lives about like an hour away from me and everything, so it all worked out perfectly. Great shipping. So I purchased these on Tuesday, he shipped them on Wednesday, and then I got the shoe today, man, so Thursday. So he actually lives about an hour away from me. Y'all already see what it is, man. He even put the packaging to kind of pad it in, but we had, I'm gonna just let y'all look at it, man. Bam, man. That delayed W, when it comes to them 350s, y'all already know I treat these things like Air Jordan 1s. One of the most comfortable sneakers to me, and man, oh man. Y'all already know, man, we won't do no smell test and prove over here when we checking out the Yeezys, but look at these things, man. Yes, sir. Woo, we gotta get the other one out, G. I was super excited to get these, and of course, you know they do come with some different laces in there now. We're gonna go ahead and close this real quick. I don't know how your boy do, man. We ain't gonna do too much editing in this video, but I'm gonna sit that right there for y'all. Got a little something right there. I do think that was dope that they did give you a second set of laces that you could put inside the shoes, but you do have to cut this off if you want to do that. I don't even know. Yeah, you'd have to cut that off. Yeah, that is right. I watched a couple of reviews. I think I saw Seth Fowler do a review over these, man, if I'm not mistaken, but this is a fire colorway, man. These things are fuego, y'all. I'm talking about fire flames, y'all. I am really digging the vibes of this 350 right here. The colorway is very unique. I really like what they did with these actual shoestrings. I like this lacing system on these. I like to see a lot more of the Yeezys come like this. It just looks different. I'm really feeling this vibe right here for the 350 with the lacing system. Something super dope, unique to me, and seeing something different. A lot of people are like, oh, I'm so tired of the 350s, but man, you can't beat that comfort, man. You cannot beat that comfort. Now, this is the Israfil, or however you say it, Israfil. I don't know, man, but you know how Kanye do it, and of course it's Israfil for the triple colorway. One shoe now out of the Yeezys that came out this year that I wasn't able to get, and that's the blue oats. So I will be going back. I'm just debating whether or not I want to get the reflective blue oats or if I want to get the regular blue oats, but I got the reflective mist, so I might just go ahead and keep the wave riding with the 380s and get the reflective blue oat. But these are fire, man. I'm actually going after them peppers too, man. Put the picture right here, you know what I'm saying, of the 380s. But these right here, man, gassing me. Let me know if you guys pick these things up. What you guys think about the 350 V2s this year. This is definitely going down as one of the better colorways. Definitely in like the top 5 colorways that I picked up this year. Easy, this is in the top. Easy, man. Last year it was the Yee Chill, man. I doubled up on those. That's the only Yeezy that I've had that I kept a double of. A lot of people be like, well, why did I get rid of my triple blacks? I had like 4 pairs of triple blacks, but I got rid of all of those because I gave one to my dad. I sold one at SneakerCon. I sold one to a guy locally, and then yeah, I kept a pair. So yeah, I had to do that, man. But these right here are fire, and I almost got them from Skip, man. I hit Skip Goes Hard up because I was like, I know G ain't gonna keep them things, man. I know, I don't never see Skip in the Yeezy, man. Skip, I don't never see any Yeezy like that, man. But you know what I'm saying? I know Skip, true sneakerhead, man. He do be copping. So shout out to Skip, man. Skip was like, man, next time I get something, I ain't gonna keep them. I'm gonna let you know. So appreciate that, Skip, and I'm gonna hold you to that word. Putting it out there on the tube right now. But yes, man, shout out to my bro Eddie, man. He told me as well, and I told him I will be doing business with you again, bro. I will be. If you have a size 11, let me know. Hey, we can do some business, and I will be linking him in the description box. You guys can head over to Instagram and show bro some love on his Instagram page. That is pretty much what I have for you guys. Just a little small unboxing of some delayed W's. Technically the biohacks ain't a delayed W, but it was a unpackaging, taking it out the bag, and this one right here was an unboxing, man. Again, Eddie, I truly do appreciate it, man. That love, man. Hey, had to have these things, man. I know a lot of people are like, man, I still get happy every time I get a pair of kicks that I really want, man. This one right here, I had to have them, man. Had to have them. But it is your boy, DaRetroWizKid. Y'all already know what it is, man. We're almost at 10K. We will be doing a sneaker giveaway for the Sneaker Dungeon family when we hit 10K. Make sure y'all follow me over on Instagram at DaRetroWizKid, posting them pictures for you guys daily. Y'all already know. I ain't gonna spin no pictures, y'all. We just gonna wrap that up right here, man. But peace, love, Laguna Beach. Stay tuned. Tomorrow we will be doing a full detailed review and on feet. Y'all already know what's coming out tomorrow, but we gonna be doing that tomorrow. So stay tuned to the channel. I'm also gonna throw a little twist in there. Shout out to my bro James. Gonna be doing a comparison for you guys as well. So stay tuned for that. And I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video. Yay!
It's a couple Jordan 1 retros, and they gotta be in your collection. You just collect them, you never go stepping. I can respect it, but that ain't for me. I gotta lace up these black cement 3s and throw a little fit together. Get on the go out, place a bid, and hopefully I can just hit forever. I'm from the bottom, I don't wanna rap, but this part about culture, you gotta be fair.